What's going on, guys? AJ, Davis Auto Sales. I'm here with Tim. Got Christian in the background, getting some behind the scenes shots. And we're just gonna do a quick overview of a few of the UTVs and off-road vehicles that we have. Starting off here, Can-Am Bandit 1000 Turbo. Absolutely mental. You should hear this thing. It sounds like a street bike when it starts up. Take it to the trails. It's, as you can see, it's been widened. Has all the bells and whistles. Let's see if the stars will might fire up for you real quick. But it definitely is fully loaded, if I do say so myself. I think we might have action, folks. We do not have action, folks. But I can show you the lights real quick. Everything is LEDs, like everywhere. Hold on, there's some more somewhere. All right, there's those. Then we got these, and these. So go ahead and give that a quick once over. And of course, everything is always available on our website, davis4x4.com. And of course, YouTube, Davis Drives, TikTok, Davis Auto Sales, Instagram, Davis 4x4. All right, next, we have a wonderful bin bucket. It's pretty cramped in there, so I'm not getting in there. It's too big. So, it does have some really nice features. Fuel cell in the back, stick shift car, as you see. Moving right along. By the way, y'all, custom Bronco, 10-speed transmission with a Coyote. Tim, just for shits and giggles, let's get a quick view of the interior. Razor 1000, not a turbo. This one came with the blue one back there. That is a 1002 turbo. Husband and wife. This is the wife's, of course. That one was the husband's. Nice little cute car. This one, of course, a little more aggressive. Chop top. Has all the bells and whistles, stretched, lowered, all that stuff. Different springs. Coilover, excuse me. Clearly, this one is not the same as that one. That one, trail ride, have fun. This, mud, you want to go through anything deep, it'll get you through there. 1000 turbo Razor. All the bells and whistles. You can see custom shifter, stereo system, lights, and it does have a nice winch up front. But if you want to see some more stuff of anything that we have, just of course check out our website, davis4x4.com. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. We're constantly updating. Please give a like and subscribe, comment, and say bye to Christian. And have a good one. We're out.